that car is on right now, guys, because I changed the spark plugs with my little ChatGPT tune over there. But this one, I actually drove it back to my garage. It drove perfectly fine. Drove an hour back home, but I am experiencing a little. I just noticed my temperature gauge went up a little bit more than usual, and I think this right here, the fan clutch is messed up. I have a bunch of spares of those. I have to address that. I am gonna end up selling one of these. I don't know which one. This one right here, as you can see. My AFR is pretty decent. Temperature is good. It's not reading oil pressure, but I know that's good. I gotta fix that. And now it's not dying. Like, you can just go like this, as you guys can see. Oh, I messed this up. But it's definitely not dying. So I'm gonna take this out on a test drive.